To begin with, these are done with coils, and the center is all the same size, and then I made them bigger by adding extra paper. So like this one's 2.5 lengths of paper to 1.5, one. This one's about 3/4, and this one was 1/2. So each one's just got more outside paper on it so that it gets bigger. I used a tool that's actually meant for beading to create the circles for this. So I just did this largest circle and then formed them to the ovals that we needed for the shapes. These are marquees. And then I just wrapped extra paper around the outside for a highlight. And right now I'm getting ready to do some scroll work to fill in this last little area. So I just wanted to show you how we do that. This scroll is one that it starts a little bit further toward the center, and you just roll away from you. And when you get it tight like that, you just clip the end. I'm going to pull it off to make it a little easier. You just clip the end, and to glue them in, we get a hold of them with our little tweezers, dip them in our glue, and then we just start fitting them in. I'm going to trim it first, and we'll see how that goes. About halfway, roll them together. You can see I'm just gently massaging that into place. We don't want to crunch it. We want it to fit in there nicely. Make a little smaller one because we need to fill in this area here. You can see that just kind of expands into the area it needs to. And we're just going to continue on until we get this done. we go. So this is going to be, this is a special order card, and it was, it's just going to be blank. There's no wording or anything that's going to be on it. The person that this was ordered for just loves dragonflies, and so the person that ordered it is just giving it to them as a dragonfly so they can choose to do with it what they want. If you have any questions on this one, leave some comments below. I'll try to answer any of them that come in, and I sure appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and of course like the videos. It's a great help to growing my little channel. Thank you.